Coming from humble beginnings, Prime Minister Narendra Modi knows firsthand the struggles faced by the poor, especially the crushing financial burden that illness can bring to a family. With over 1.4 billion citizens residing in India, India's healthcare challenges are immense. Yet, Modi ji has transformed the landscape by ensuring that healthcare is affordable, accessible, and empowering for those who need it the most.
आपके जीवन में बीमारी का दुष्चक्र आया तो आपको भी देश के धनी आदमी जिस प्रकार से आरोग्य की सेवा प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, अब मेरे देश के गरीब को भी वही सेवाएं उपलब्ध होनी चाहिए।
On his visionary leadership, he launched Ayushman Bharat, famously known as Modi Care, the world's largest government-funded health assurance program. Offering 5 lakh rupees of coverage per family every year, this groundbreaking initiative safeguards millions of families from medical debt, providing free, quality care during times of crisis. Born from the goals of National Health Policy 2017, Ayushman Bharat is more than just a scheme. It's a historic step towards universal health coverage. It aligns with the global sustainable development goals, ensuring that no citizen is left behind in the journey toward health and dignity. At its core, the program rests on 2 pillars: health and wellness centers, bringing preventive and primary care to every doorstep, and Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, offering cashless hospitalization and specialized treatment in both public as well as private facilities. As of March 2025, over 36.9 crore Ayushman cards have been issued, extending its benefits to nearly 6 crore senior citizens aged above 70, regardless of their financial status. Ayushman Bharat is not a healthcare scheme alone. It is a lifeline, a beacon of hope, a true game changer for millions across the country, fulfilling Prime Minister Modi's promise of a healthier, stronger India.
भाइयों और बहनों, हमारी सरकार का प्रयास है कि बीमारी कम हो, साथ ही बीमारी पर होने वाला खर्च भी कम हो। इसलिए हम आयुष्मान भारत योजना लेकर आए हैं, जिससे लोगों पर पड़ने वाला बोझ कम हुआ है। आपके पास एक कार्ड होगा तो कोई आपको इलाज के लिए मना नहीं कर पाएगा, पैसे नहीं मांग पाएगा। और ये हिंदुस्तान में कहीं पर भी आपको तकलीफ हुई और वहां के अस्पताल में जाके ये मोदी की गारंटी दिखा देना, उसको वहां भी आपको इलाज करना होगा। ये आयुष्मान कार्ड गरीब के इलाज के लिए 5 लाख रुपए की गारंटी है और ये मोदी की गारंटी है।